Good afternoon, students. According to this figure, your question is find the value of x in the following figure. In the given figure, you can see PQ and RS two parallel lines where BG is the transversal, right? So that's why we can say that this angle and this angle are co-interior, but we don't have the value of this angle. But from this figure we can say that this angle and this angle are same. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So how to write? First we will write here PQ and BG intersect at E. Therefore, angle DEP equals to angle QEF. Okay. So, value of DEP what? 2x plus 15. So, write here 2x plus 15 degree equals to angle QEF. So you can write this one like this, angle QEF equals to 2x plus 15 degree. Okay, so now value of this angle what? 2x plus 15 degree. Okay, but here we can see this angle and this angle are two co-interior angle between the parallel lines PQ and RS. So definitely sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So first we will write here PQ parallel RS and DG transversal. Therefore angle QEF plus angle EFS equals to 180 degree. The reason will be sum of two co-interior angles between two parallel lines is 180 degree. So for this reason we will write here value of QEF here what? 2x plus 15. So write here 2x plus 15 and value of EFS that is given x plus 15. So write here x plus 15 equals to 180 degree. This implies 2x plus x 3x 15 plus 15 30 equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree equals to 150 degree. So this implies x equals to 150 degree by 3 equals to 50 degree. So this one is your answer. Okay. So we will do now next math. Okay. This is your 13 number question. As per the question, find the value of x and y. In the given figure you can see these two lines are parallel. So how to find out the value of x and y? Here first I will show you how to find out the value of y. See, this one is y, so that's why this angle will also be y because this one is corresponding angle, right? So both the angles are here same. Corresponding angle, this one and this one, these two lines FG and HT are here parallel. So we can say that these two angles are here corresponding angle. And again you can see this angle and this angle means angle FDA and FDE. These two angles are here linear pair. So we can write y plus 120 equals to 60 degree. So from there we can find out the value of y is 60 degree. So let's start. See, So first what we will write here? First I will write ST and FG are parallel lines. And who is transversal? AP transversal. So write here AP transversal. So what we can write? Therefore, angle FDE equals to angle SEP. This means value of FDE what? FDE equals to Y. Value of ACP already given there. Now, angle FDE plus angle FDA equals to 180 degree. Within bracket write linear pair. You must write the reason after any relation. So FDE what? Y. And FDA 120 degree equals to 180 degree. This provides you Y equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree equals to 60 degree. This one is your answer. Okay. Now I will show how to find out the value of X. See, if these two lines are parallel and AQ is transversal, so definitely X and 70 degree alternate angle. So first what we will write here? ST and FG are parallel lines, but here AQ is transversal. So what we will write now? I will write here AQ transversal. Okay. So now we can write, therefore angle GBC equals to angle ECB. And the reason will be alternate angle. Alternate angles. So alternate angles between two parallel lines are here equal. So you must write alternate angles between two parallel lines are equal. This is the main reason, that's why they are equal. So value of GBC what? 70 degree equals to X. So already you have X equals to 70 degree. So now write X equals to 70 degree, comma Y equals to 60 degree. Answer. Okay. So now we will do the next math. Say this one is your 14 number question. Okay. As per the given figure or given condition, AB, EF and CD, these three lines are here parallel. So from this figure our question is find the value of X and find the value of Y. Okay. So we will do the math step by step. Okay. Here we can see this line and this line parallel. So X and 25 degree are actually here two co-interior angle, and you know the relation between them. So let's start. So how to solve? First we will write EF parallel CD and EC transversal. So write EC transversal. Okay. So therefore angle FEC plus angle ECD equals to what? 180 degree. Now I will write the reason. The reason is sum of two co-interior angles between two parallel lines equals to 180 degree. So as they are co-interior angles, so sum of them is 180. So now I will write here x plus 25 degree equals to 180 degree. Value of ECD is what? 25 degree. So value of x is 180 degree minus 25 degree. So it provides you 155 degree. So this one is your answer. Now I will find out the value of y. You can see the angle ABC and BCD are here parallel lines. Why? See, AB and CD are parallel. So this angle and this angle are actually alternate angle. So from there we can say that y plus 25 together equals to 75 degree because they are alternate angle. So what we will write now? I will write here AB parallel CD and BC transversal. Okay. Therefore, angle ABC equals to angle BCD. We can write within bracket alternate angles between two parallel lines are equal. So this implies 75 degree equals to value of BCD what? Value of BCD what is angle BCE plus angle ECD. This implies 75 degree equals to y plus 25 degree. So this implies y equals to 75 degree minus 25 degree equals to 50 degree. So your answer is x is 155 and y is 50 degree. Okay. So after watching this video, I hope you can solve the rest of the other maths in your home, and today I will provide few homeworks from your book. Okay.